guys, today we're going to be talking about ways to lower your blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure can cause a serious health problems without showing any warning signs at all. And when your blood pressure is too high for too long, it puts you at risk for heart disease, stroke, or can even lead to kidney damage. But the good news is lifestyle changes can help you naturally lower your blood pressure. So follow along with these tips to help lower your blood pressure naturally. Number one, do regular physical activities. Yeah, regular physical activity helps improve your health. It's no longer secret that regular physical activities help to keep you in good health. Not only does exercise help control high blood pressure, it also helps you manage your weight, strengthen your heart, and lower your stress level as well. So try aiming for at least 150 minutes of exercise per week of moderate intensity physical activity like brisk walking or even aerobic activity like walking, jogging, dancing. It has a positive impact on health. Try to find something you enjoy doing. This will make it easier to commit to a regular routine and will motivate you to get up and get moving. Number two, you have to reduce your salt intake. Most people eat too much salt without realizing it. Yes, eating less salt will help you manage your blood pressure. But however, the recommended daily intake of salt is about 2,300 milligram with an ideal limit of less than 1,300 milligram per day, especially for those with high blood pressure. Even a small reduction of sodium in your diet can help improve your heart health and can reduce your blood pressure. If you have hypertension, in order to decrease sodium in your diet, try these simple tips. Always read food labels. Yes, do not just simply buy things like that without reading the labels. You have to be more intentional about your health and look out for low salt or low sodium version of the food you're buying, the beverages you normally buy. Then eat fewer processed food as well. Only a small amount of sodium naturally occurs in food. Nearly 70% of the sodium we eat comes from processed food, prepackaged food, and restaurant food as well. So try to limit um, added salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt contain about 2,300 milligrams of sodium. Try to use salt substitute like spices, garlic, herbs, and other seasonings in place of some or all of salt to add flavor to your favorite dishes. Number three, you have to add more potassium to your diet to reduce high blood pressure. Not only does potassium help regulate heart rate, it can also reduce the effect of sodium in the body. Potassium helps your body get rid of sodium and also ease tension in your blood vessels works. Both of them help to further lower blood pressure. The most effective way to increase your potassium intake is by adjusting your diet. Yes, as opposed to taking supplements. Some potassium rich food includes fruits like bananas, melons, oranges, apricot, avocados, tomatoes. You have milk, yogurt, and cream cheese, leafy green vegetables, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. You also have tuna and salmon, beans, nut, and seed as well. While incorporating this food into your diet, you can improve your heart health. It's very important to talk with your doctor about potassium level that is right for you. Also, if you have a significant kidney disease, you should you should avoid consuming too much potassium. Yes, because your kidney may not be able to eliminate it. So you have number four, you have to limit your alcohol consumption. Yes, limit your alcohol consumption. Some research shows that drinking alcohol in moderation can benefit your heart health, but however, too much alcohol consumed at once can cause a sudden spike in your blood pressure. So monitoring your alcohol intake is very important. Alcoholic beverages can contain significant amount of calories and sugar, which can contribute to increase body fat and weight gain, both of which are factors that can lead to higher blood pressure over time. So if you are currently taking medication to treat high blood pressure, you should be very mindful of your alcohol intake. Besides the effects on your blood pressure, drinking alcohol can also reduce the effectiveness of blood pressure medication. So you've got to limit your alcohol intake. Number five, you have to reduce stress as well. Reducing stress can also help to lower your blood pressure. We all have stress in our daily lives, day-to-day lives, having a flat tire in the middle of rush hour, a looming deadline at work that can cause a temporary spike in your blood pressure. In most cases, once the stressful situation is resolved, your heart rate and blood pressure return to normal. But however, chronic stress may put you at risk for varieties of long-time health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Stress can also increase your blood pressure level if your coping mechanism involve eating unhealthy food, drinking alcohol, or even smoking. Why it's important to eliminate all stressors from your life? Learning to cope with them is a healthier way to make a positive impact on your health and wellness as well, which can in turn lower your blood pressure. Yes. So here are some methods to help alleviate or even deal with stress. Reframing your mindset. Yes, changing your mindset. Focus on the things you can control instead of worrying about situations that are out of your hands. You'll find that many times our anxieties stem from what if, what if, in some instances that might not ever occur. Put those thoughts into perspective and reminding yourself to stay present can help calm those worries. Yes. Avoid stress trigger. You really have to avoid some stress trigger in your life to try to avoid putting yourself in unnecessary stressful situation. For example, try leaving for work a few minutes early to beat rush hour traffic. Yes. And also try budgeting within your means of what you can afford. Understand? Don't put yourself on a high tension looking for what you cannot afford. As well, you have to practice gratitude. Acknowledging all the positives in our lives often help to shift the focus from what we want or what we are lacking. In addition, outwardly expressing gratitude to others can also help reduce feeling of stress. Yeah, it does. Take time to relax and enjoy. Carve out time to for things that brings you joy, whether that's eating a good meal, spending time with your loved ones, or even listening to music, interesting music or podcast on your commute. Find time to incorporate small moments of enjoyment throughout the day. It's important to know that if you have prolonged hypertension, your treatment may require both healthy lifestyle changes like this, along with care and medication as prescribed by your physicians. Yes, you have to talk to your physicians for specific advice on how to lower your blood pressure. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.